Currently we are at the Mysuru railway station and the journey from here to Bengaluru, we are going to go by train. The only thing is which train आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में बताते हैं. We have already booked it but देखना है अभी, तो थोड़ा अंदर जाके मैं आपको मिलता हूँ डायरेक्टली.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
So guys, as I said, our journey from Mysuru to Bangalore will be in Vande Bharat. First time experiencing it. So currently it's 12:35, around 40, and it is said that it is going to leave exactly by 1:05. It seems we have at least half an hour with us, so we can walk around. We can look around the train. It's really amazing. So we wanted to take the executive chair, but executive chair नहीं मिला हमको because it was a lot more than what it is.
हम आगे से पीछे तक जाएंगे या पीछे से आगे तक जाएंगे?
एक ही है ना?
टाइम है हमारे पास.
Exactly. So we will just go in. We'll show you the executive chair also. Now currently we are here. We are in the SR. So दिखाएंगे आपको थोड़ा बहुत जितना हमसे हो पाएगा. And depending on that, we will show you.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear.
So guys, here is the E1, that is the executive. Let's go in and check. This is the one. As you can see, the seats are different, comfort level is different, and the best part on this is you can see the leg room. Wow, leg room के साथ ये भी फायदा है. Leg room, everything is there, leg support, and their food thing is from side, I think, right? Like the flights. ये flip करके. Yeah. Wow. And just try to turn it.
वो कैसा?
I think with that only. Oh. ये चेयर में देख रहा था. This. And you turn it. And you lock it over here. Like this. And then when you're sitting over here, एक मिनट. When you're sitting like this, you can see the view directly.
कहाँ से है? अब ये व्यू देख रहा है. ये व्यू देख तो अब. चल जाएंगे.
And everywhere, whenever you walk around like this, you have a kitchen in every compartment. So it will be a next level experience. Train में it is after years because I think last I have traveled in train around 10 to 12 years back. Even I don't remember, but this will be the first time after that long time, and also I'll be recording it for my own memory. So definitely. तो चलो मिलते हैं आपको directly on the way. It's 12:45. We have 15 minutes more. We'll leave and we'll show you how it is. Guys, finally, exactly at 1:05, our journey has started. And I know the clarity is not good. वहाँ से दिखा सकते हैं. But the train is full. Full it is. And the journey is for 2 hours 45 minutes. Supposed to be. Let's see कितनी देर में पहुँचेंगे. Now let's show you some cinematics.
My name, grasping into a life. Life is happy, but it's so.
Finally, our meal has arrived. Just within 15 minutes, I guess.
नॉन वेज पे इसका नहीं.
तेरा नहीं नहीं रे. नॉट वेज एंड वेज. अच्छा मेरा नहीं दिया.
मैंने दिया.
पता नहीं. I don't know.
हाँ दिया.
मेरा
Those of this train are all made automatically based on arrivals and departure from stations. Passengers are requested to not to leave the gates the closed
ये
doors.
वेज.
हाँ सर वेज बिरयानी चिकन ग्रेवी चिकन कर्ड राइस
और वेज आएगा
वेज
कंटेंट क्रिएटर वालों को पहले देना चाहिए।
गेस्ट को पहले दे रहे पे
गेस्ट को पहले दे रहे
वीआईपी को पहले मिलना चाहिए।
हाँ नहीं, वैसा होता है। वीआईपी को ऑलरेडी बहुत मिल चुके हैं।
बस कल पूरा दिन मिला ट्रीटमेंट, और क्या चाहिए तेरे को?
तो अभी अभी मेरा ट्रीटमेंट थोड़ा
मेरे
slow है। देखेंगे अभी डायरेक्टली देखते हैं मेरा खाना कब आएगा। अकॉर्डिंगली विल सी। तो इसका तो नॉनवेज किया था मैंने, ओपन करने के बाद दिखाते हैं। एंड इज वेटिंग फॉर माय, लेट्स वेट एंड विल सी।
41 सर वेजिटेबल
So what do we have? We have got a curd rice, got a veg biryani, got a paneer dish, paratha, and the CPS sweet, I guess. Tera curd rice, veg biryani, chicken dish.
Welcome on board.
And welcome on board. खाते हैं और मिलते हैं आपको डायरेक्टली।
insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Let's show you guys the washroom. मुझे नहीं पता कैसा है। See the speed. Currently it's going on into 109 kilometers per hour. Just checked. वो display हो रहा है. And you can see the amount of bumpiness. मतलब ये जो है ना, let's go in the washroom. Currently so vacant. Oh, this is down. I think वो ऊपर वाला होगा, वेस्टर्न स्टाइल। तो अपने को तो सिर्फ हाथ धोने का था। है पानी, पानी। Let's go into western. सेम जैसा नॉर्मल ट्रेन में होता है वैसे ही। आई हैव सीन नॉर्मल ट्रेन वो वाला इंडियन स्टाइल। एंड जस्ट सी द अमाउंट दिस थिंग। ये कैसे बंद होता है? I'll show you. It's an automatic door. There it goes. When you walk in, technology.
تكنولوجيا عشدنها تكنولوجيا.
So let's continue with the journey. Currently it's 2 p.m. almost 2:05. तो फिलहाल के लिए तो अभी देखेंगे कैसा है and how much we have covered. I'll show you that. Currently 43 kilometers is remaining and the speed you can see is 68 kilometers.
We'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
Guys, finally we are reaching the YSR Bengaluru station. It is 2:39. So it's like 1.5 hour journey. So exactly by 2:40 अभी है और एक everyone has got up and have stood in line. I think because Bengaluru is a very busy station. It's the main station. तो इसके लिए अभी फ़िलहाल हम लोग भी सब निकाल के रख चुके हैं। They are leaving from here. So मिलते हैं आपको डायरेक्टली out of the station. See.
Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to
रीत करेंगे पहले.
गाइस जो था ना, मेरे को नहीं लग रहा था ऐसा इतना सीन होगा. इफ यू सी एवरीवेयर पीपल आर स्टैंडिंग, हर एक इस पे. अरे एटलीस्ट दे शुड कीप वन एग्जिट एंड वन एंट्री पॉइंट. होगा, देयर विल बी वन एंट्री एंड वन एग्जिट पॉइंट, बट लोग नहीं सुनते यार. सो गाइस, आवर मैसूरू व्लॉग एंड्स हियर. If you enjoyed the vlog, I hope you all enjoyed the vlog because we have shown you the journey of our Mysuru. Actually हम लोग ने ये vlog को दो अलग हिस्सों में बनाया था. One we wanted to make it as Bangalore, one we wanted to make it as Mysore. So we are successful in that. So if you enjoyed the vlog, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment करो, and what you like the most you can comment. Secondly, if you have seen, we have traveled in the entire series, we have traveled through all the transport except waterways. So we have gone through trains, we have gone through flight, we have gone through bus, we have gone through rickshaw, we have gone through what do you say, everything जो भी आपने expect किया होगा. So it was an amazing journey. 2 days की journey थी हमारी. It is fun. Our train is ready to move on for the next station. So guys, with that said, as always, Masalama, take care and see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.